What's going on, guys? Joe at East Coast Chaos. If you've been following along on the YouTube and Instagram and TikTok, you may have seen that we got a new sled. We're happy to announce that we've been working with a few companies this year, and two of them being ambassadorships and two of them being sponsorships. And we just got the first package in the mail. So I'm going to show you guys. So we got a ambassadorship through Bikeman, and I was running their Velocity can, I think they call it. I believe that's what this one is too. The Velocity can, the fat ass pipe, did not run the manifold, but I ran that setup on my 2016 RMK and loved it. So decided that I was going to get the same exhaust for the 850. So let's open this thing up. I don't know if I should take it out of the bubble wrap or not. But here it is. That thing looks insane. I didn't think that they polished them like that, but that's pretty awesome. And I bet you this thing is going to scream. So, see if we can get it propped up here. So I didn't go with their like mountain can, just because we do ride in Maine a lot, and sometimes they get well, I shouldn't say sometimes, all the time. If you get caught with a can, you get a ticket. It's happened to me before, and I don't really want to make my trips more expensive than they already have to be. So at idle, at least on my RMK, it's a lot quieter, but it still has a snappy sound at half throttle and full throttle. And the finish on this one is a lot better than the older style, I think. I like the polished. My old exhaust is like that matte black color. So that is pretty sweet. This down on the packing for a second here. I'll have a look inside at the stock can here. It's kind of interesting. They got this junk that goes over the stock one here. It doesn't really make any sense to me. It doesn't, to be quite honest with you. I haven't really messed around too much with these 850s. I think it just comes right up. It must be, just like that. Not used to good compression. Alright, well, that's how it sounds stock. So we'll get to taking this thing off and get a sound clip after. that out of the way. Pull this right out. Still a little bit of smoke. Well, either way, see, is there a little bit of a weight difference here? Pretty big weight difference. And a huge size difference as well. It feels like it's maybe 6 pounds lighter, maybe more. This one's pretty heavy. We'll get a little startup video here. See how she sounds now. Quite honestly, I think that sounds amazing. I'm pretty happy with the sound quality of it. Can't wait to go get it out on the snow. The install was fairly easy, and I haven't done anything to this sled. I haven't even took a panel off, so it's kind of interesting to see how they have these sleds all put together now. We're waiting for a couple more things coming in the mail, and I will make some more install videos and unboxings. But for now, we got the Bikeman can. Looks sharp, sounds sharp. Can't wait to get this thing on the snow. It's gonna be sick.